In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make a beautiful mini floral daisy chain necklace. Using charming daisy charms, a delicate chain, and a lobster clasp, you can create a fun and versatile accessory. You will need a dozen jump rings for attaching the charms, plus a lobster clasp and extension chain to complete your adjustable mini floral daisy necklace. Use a jump ring with an opening on the side to securely attach each charm, ensuring they stay in place while maintaining a neat and professional look on your necklace. Choose the extension chain length according to your preference, allowing for an adjustable, comfortable fit for your mini floral daisy necklace. Let's start. First, open the first jump ring, insert it into the first charm, then add the second charm, and close the jump ring securely. Make sure the charms are positioned opposite each other for a balanced, symmetrical look. Open the second jump ring, insert it into one of the previously attached charms, add the third charm, and close the jump ring tightly, ensuring all charms remain securely connected. Follow the order of the pattern carefully, attaching each charm in sequence to maintain a consistent and visually appealing necklace design. Repeat the same process for each charm, opening a jump ring, attaching the charm to the chain or previous charms, and closing it tightly for a secure, beautiful necklace design. Use a side opening or oval jump ring to attach each charm securely, creating a sleek, polished look while ensuring the mini floral daisy necklace stays durable and elegant. Keep adding your charms one by one, spacing them evenly along the chain, ensuring each is securely attached with a jump ring for a balanced and beautiful mini floral daisy necklace. For this necklace, I'm using 12 charms to create a fuller look, spacing them close together for a charming, cohesive design that resembles a collarbone-inspired style. For a choker-length necklace, use fewer charms to prevent overcrowding, ensuring a delicate, elegant look. If you are a beginner, lay out your charms before assembling the necklace. This helps plan spacing, maintain the pattern, and ensures a balanced, neat design for a beautiful finished piece. Open another jump ring, insert it into the last charm loop, attach the lobster clasp, and close the jump ring tightly to securely finish your mini floral daisy necklace. This is the last step of the project, completing your mini floral daisy necklace with all charms securely attached. Insert the last open jump ring into the end charm of the necklace, ensure it's positioned correctly, then close the jump ring tightly to securely finish the mini floral daisy necklace. For my necklace, I'm using a 6-inch extension chain to allow adjustable length and a comfortable, versatile fit for any outfit. Carefully check the entire necklace for any gaps or open jump rings, ensuring all charms, the lobster clasp, and extension chain are securely attached for a polished, safe finish. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more fun and creative jewelry making tutorials.